Yes, yesterday, can anyone summarize what and all we have covered yesterday? Manish?
Configuration part of the RFQ
Mm-hmm.
and also about purchase order. Only the information regarding the purchase order. We have not created this view. The fields which view while creating the view that we have set.
Okay. What about others, Manish?
Yeah, we
Yesterday
yesterday.
we learned about the RFQ RFQ type like RFQs uh, then
Configuration.
yes, configuration about the same as in the PR, like document type, different number ranges, and the screen fill setting.
Mm.
And then after we have learned about we have a overview about the purchase order, like what is purchase order and what is the how it will be created, and what are the use of the tapes, how many tapes are available, what the functions are there, that we learned about. And ME21N is creating for this purchase order the code.
Okay. Sneha?
Yeah, yesterday we learned about RFQ configuration, like document types, screen fill, how to do that number assignment, everything. And after that, we have learned also about a purchase order, the T codes of purchase order, and how does it be created. What are the document? What are the details to be maintained? Vendor details, and how the details will come. Like PR detail will, PIR information will come there. Those details we have learned.
Okay. What about Sukanya?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we have done the configuration part in RFQ, the document type, number ranges, screen fill settings, then testing and the assignment part. And then the definition of the purchase order, the important T codes, and yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, and the account item category and all those categories which are the header categories which are there in the purchase order we have seen, and yes, and the consumables product which can be means in which account, means we have the definition of that, and which and the category in which we can place, and for the if and the about the long term vendor where we have to take as a free and returnable items and all those things.
Okay, good. What about Monica? Monica, can you hear me? Your voice is not audible. Okay. Harish, have you gone to the recorded video?
No, Mansa. Actually, I don't have time yesterday. I will complete it today.
Yeah, it's fine. You can watch the recorded video. Yesterday, just we covered the PO overview. Today, we'll create the PO. Okay.
Okay.
Let me share my screen first.
Okay.
My screen is visible, right? Well, see the changes now. Okay. First,
Yes.
I'll create one material and one vendor, and I'll create the PO. Okay. I'll show the changes, and then we'll create PIR with the combination of the material and the vendor, and then we will create the PO. There is a changes. I'll show you. Okay.
Okay.
What is the T code for the creation of the material master?
M0.
Mem01.
Okay, material master, sorry.
Purchasing. Okay. Then kg. Then kg. Just observe here, okay? And I have created. This is the material number. Then now we will create one vendor. What is the account group? Standard account group.
ARED. We have created one vendor also. Note on the number. Then now we will create PO, okay? Action ME21 yen. See here, the document type is I mentioned standard one MB, okay? And the vendor, now we have created one vendor, so I'll take that vendor 100830. Just paste it here. You have to mention the purchase organization TP then purchase group TP1, and the company code 1989, okay? And then under the material, enter. See, we have to mention the plant name. See here, yeah, whatever you're getting, net price must be greater than 0, right? In see, if you are not maintaining the PIR, the price, you have to maintain the price manually, okay? I'll show you the difference. One will create one PIR with the combination of this material and vendor. Before that, I'll try to create one PO without PIR, okay? See here, PO quantity I will take 100 and the net price I'll mention manually, okay? If you are not creating the PIR, you should maintain all the details manually, okay? Just enter. Check with this box. Any error you're getting?
No message issue during there is no error.
Yes, there is no error. For example, I will not give the price. See, net price must be greater than. So for the creation of the PO with the combination of the material and the vendor, you should maintain the price mandatorily. Okay. If you are going to maintain the price in the PIR, it automatically fetch here. If you're not maintain the PIR, you have to maintain the price manually while creating the PO. This is the important information. Okay. You have to mention the vendor name and then you have to put the material number and then purchase organization, purchase group with company code. Once you enter this, you automatically all the details will fetch here. The PO quantity and the net price you have to maintain manually if you're not creating the PIR. Okay. See here. See, are you getting any number here info record? Purchasing info record. You can see this field, right?
No, yeah, we are not getting anything there.
If you maintain the PIR for the combination of this vendor and this material, so automatically the data will fetch. You will get the PIR number here. Okay, if you maintain the PIR. The main reason here is if you maintain the PIR with the combination of the material and vendor, whenever you are going to create the PO, the price will fetch from the PIR automatically. Quantity you can change. Okay. So as of now, we have not created the PR. So that's the reason we need to maintain net price manually. Okay. Just check with this box and then save. That's all. This is how you have to create the PO. Any doubt for the creation part?
Down we have received something in dollar. No need to check those things. Huh?
No. 1 second, I'll just show you. So what is the T code for the display? PO.
ME23N.
3N.
/ ME23N. See, just now we have created the PO, right? PO, right? Cross check once. For which? See, 100,830. Last 1505. You can see this, right? So if you wanted to check all this detail, yesterday only I have showed you where the data will fetch. For example, see here under the item category, you are getting like material group. This data will fetch from the material master 0200. You can see, right? Material group. This we have maintained in the material master, right? And then quantity. See, we have maintained 100 quantities. So that details it's fetch here, quantities and the weight. And delivery schedules 22/3/2024. Like actually, it will take 1 day extra date, 22/3/2024. So if I create today, whenever you are going to create the PO, right, that date will take here. Okay, and then standard quantity is 100, and then see standard delivery date. Whenever you are going to submit the PO, that date it will take. Okay, and then scroll it down. Open quantity 100. Okay. And then delivery. Under the delivery, see first reminder, second reminder, third reminder. This we have maintained in the material master view, right?
Yes.
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 And see over delivery and under delivery, we have not maintained the vendor master here. That's why it's showing 0%. If you wanted to maintain over delivery and under delivery, you can maintain. So if you're maintaining that over delivery and under delivery, it automatically fetch here. Okay. And then coming to the invoice, there is nothing much is there. Conditions, this is nothing but the pricing procedure which I told you. Whatever the pricing procedure like a discount, freight and all the settings which we will do, the data will fetch here. For example, see gross price, we have maintained the net price, right, for 10 rupees for the PO quantity. For one material it costs 10 rupees. See here, that's why it's showing gross price 10 rupees. If you wanted to maintain any discount or anything, you can maintain it here. For that, like the freight one, the discount one, anything you can maintain here. That for that you need the settings for the pricing procedure, so that you will be learning in upcoming classes. Okay, this you can see, right? Then India, if you maintain any code like that, then text. If you wanted to text, this is in the display mode, the PO copy. That's why I'm not getting any creation part here, just observe here. Okay, if you wanted to convey any message to the vendor, you can convey the messages based on the like info record PO text or the MRP, or else if any note regarding the PIR, anything you can mention it here to convey the messages. And the delivery address, if you maintain the storage location, the delivery address, it will take the storage location. Okay, if you're not maintain the storage location, it will take the plant details. See, training plant for 8 p.m. batches company. This is the plant address. Okay, if you maintain the storage location address, the system will automatically take the first priority storage location. Whenever we are going to create the PO, right, that we need to store in the storage location, right? That's why the first priority is storage location. If we are not maintaining any storage location details here, it will fetch from the plant. Okay, and then confirmation. There is nothing much here. This and all, no. This subcontracting, this whenever we are doing the subcontracting process, right, that time this screen will get open, the details whichever we are maintaining the subcontracting process, that time you will get all the details under here. Okay, as of now we are doing for the standard PO, that's why you're getting the blank. Any doubt here?
No.
So we have created the PO, we have done the display mode. What is the changes for the PO?
22.
Amy
22N.
So automatically, if you wanted to, for example, I'll change the price only. I will make 5 rupees. Okay. If you wanted to change anything, for example, you can change the PO quantity also. 20. Okay. Check with this. Are you getting any error? No, right? No messages issued during check. Then save it. The same number you will get. 4033100230, right? See you. Just we have changed few things. So we'll see whether we have whatever we have changed here, or we getting or not. Maybe 23. Yeah. Yes. See here. We have changed the net price as an 5 rupees, right? And then PO quantity we have changed it for the 20. You can see the changes, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is how we have to create the PO. Any doubt in the creation change of the display mode for the creation of the PO?
No.
Okay. Just one second.
Mansa,
Yeah.
PO is generally create against the PR, na?
No, PR, it is the internal document. Okay, PR is not necessary to create the PO. Purchase requisition, the main reason for the PR is the internal document, right? Like for any requirement is there, like any requirement of the material, any department will raise the PR. Okay, purchasing this is just an like the copy, like whatever the requirement for the users. So this is just a copy. You can create the PR and then you can create the PO also, but to create the PO, PR is not mandatory. Okay, you can create the PR and then you can use that PR number in the PO also, but it is not mandatory. Okay, tomorrow
Because
actually,
in procure to pay cycle, it's first come PR, then RFQ. RFQ, if we have fixed vendors, then it won't come the RFQ and directly we generate the PO.
yeah, I know. The reason is just understand. See why we are raising the PR.
Because we need this material or we need the service.
That is the
We
internal,
require.
right?
Yeah.
Are we sending PR copy to the vendor?
No,
No, right?
but
Yeah. Why we are sending PO copy to the vendor?
for requirement of material.
Yeah, this is the legal document, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that time, is it necessary to send the PR details to the vendor?
because in PR we can maintain like specification of the material. That's why we need to send maintain
Yes.
all the specification in the
That is
PO.
for internal document, internal purpose. Okay, not for the external. That is for the internal. In the organization, whatever the requirement is there. See, for example, take example as an you are the user, I am the outsider. Okay, sorry, I'm the purchasing department. So you need the material, so you will be sending the PR copy to me. I'm the
Yes.
purchasing department. Why I'll send all the PR details to the vendor? Why I need to send all this information to the vendor?
No, no, sir. We can't
No.
send. That is an
You-
document.
You cannot send, but you are responsible for the creation of PO.
Yeah, you can create the purchase requisition and you can maintain all this PR details in the PO also. Okay, I'll show you
Yeah.
that also. What is the difference? But understand, PR is not mandatory to create the PO. You have the option. Whatever the details you have filled in the PR, you can see. I'll just show you in the screen. You will be having the
Yeah, Mansa, in our office, it is like for some item that MSS will be set. So it is come to MSS, PO will be automatically going to the vendor. So
Mm.
at that time, the request will not come to us.
Yes.
For the new item, we will get the request from the particular internal department. If any MSS is set for, if anything, any material is going under the below safety stock, so we'll generate PO directly.
Yes. Yes, I'll show you the difference also. Wait, Manish. You have the option also. Okay, you can give the PR number also here, but it is not mandatory. See, for this we have created the info record, right? That's why it's taking info number. See here, you can see the PR column, right?
Yes.
If you wanted to maintain the details also in the PO, you can maintain it here, the PR number.
Okay.
Okay, but it's not mandatory. Just imagine, just imagine you are the purchasing department, I'm the user, I'll send all the requirements to you, like whatever the materials I need, you will be having all the data, right? Why you need to send
Yes.
to the vendor all these details?
That is not important to maintain all things.
Yeah,
But
mandatory.
I have seen in the PO normally that PR numbers always, and they are the purchasing department always asking for the PR.
Yeah.
So that
A few companies they will make mandatory. The reason is see whatever the changes, for example, in the purchase requisition also. For example, source of supply, everything we have maintained in the purchase requisition, right? The data and all
Yes.
will fetch in the PO. Whenever that time, or else if the requirement is there in the company, if the mandatory is there, that time you can maintain the PR number here. But it's not mandatory. Okay, so just whenever in the interview also, if they ask like for the creation of the PO, what is mandatory, you have to tell like a vendor and the material master is mandatory, right? For example,
Yes.
see, you have to maintain the vendor number and you have to maintain the material number also here. And one
Yes.
more thing, without material number also you can create the material by using the material group. Okay, that I'll tell you in the future classes. As of now, not
Okay.
required, so you'll get more confusion. But for the creation of the PO, vendor and material is mandatory. The first thing, okay. The second thing is PIR is mandatory or what for the creation of the PO?
That is not also mandatory
Yeah. Why we are creating the PIR? What is the main intention?
because it will take all the data like the price.
Not all the
Group.
data. The price is automatically
Okay. It
whatever
will
the
take
see.
the
For
price.
example, just imagine. Once we're done with the CRFQ, we have learned, right? We'll select one vendor. What we will do, we'll make an agreement with him, like all the detail. For example, today for particular one material, suppose consider 10 rupees is there. For example, if the inflation is rising after 10 days or 15 days, do you think the same price will be there after 15 days? No, right? Price will increase or else price will decrease. For example,
Yes.
take price will increase. Today, if the any material you can consider, suppose you can take the milk milk price only, okay? For half liter and all, before it was on 10 rupees, 12 rupees. Is it the same as of now? Are we
No.
paying the 10 rupees? No, right?
No.
So the same scenario, you can put it in the organization level, okay? For any material as of that particular time, the amount should be, for example, 100, 150. You can consider anything, 100 rupees. So what the company will do that time, they will make the tie with the vendors, okay? They will make agreements, contract, and the quantity that will come in the next classes, okay? Outline agreement topic you will learn. There you will be getting how to maintain the agreement with the vendor. You will learn. Okay. That time what companies will do, they will make the agreement with the particular vendor, and whatever the price will agree from the vendor, right? Suppose I will bid for the 10 rupees. If you are agree, consider you are the vendor. If you are agree with the 10 rupees for next 6 months to deliver the particular material, so I will maintain that price in the PIR. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll create the PO automatically, that price will fetch.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. But if PIR also, it's not mandatory. You can maintain the price manually while creating the PO.
Manual.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. What we have done, we have created the PO, right? We created the PIR. No, right?
No.
No.
Any doubt till here, Neha?
No.
So what is the T code for the PIR?
ME11.
Yes. So just see the yeah. Just see the changes now, okay? Just take that particular vendor. See here, 100830, material 1505. Yeah, it automatically under purchase organization TP10, the standard, okay? But already purchasing for it. Have we created the PIR for this combination?
No. Only we created material and vendor.
Then why it show? But it's showing already PIR already exists. Let me check. Okay. Create one more material. And then we'll create one window. Session K01. Continue to interpret and clarity. You. Yes. Now we'll create the PIR, okay? 506. See, now it's taking PIR or PO. See here, vendor in the info record where it is taking first second reminder and the third reminder.
Vendor.
Okay. Plan delivery days just randomly I'm giving 50 days. So then purchase group is mandatory for this. I'll just randomly give chef. See here. You can see the conditions tab, right? Under the condition tab, you can see the net price, right?
Yes.
Yes, maintain 25 rupees. Okay, just see the changes now. Yeah, maintain 25 rupees. Enter. Take this PIR number. Now we'll create the PO. Okay, ME21. See here.
Yeah, the price.
The price. Did I maintain the price now manually? Did I enter?
No.
No.
Only this is the changes. If you have maintained the, for example, I gave you an example, right? Consider an agreement, like I make the agreement with the vendor and whatever the price is agreed. So I'll create the PIR for that. And whenever we are going to create the PO, that time that price will fetch. Okay. So for example, take today I make the agreement with the Manish, like an example as a vendor, 25 rupees. For example, I'll create PO after 10 days. If the price will increase also, the system will take the whatever the agreed price. Okay, for that reason we will maintain the price in the PIR. Okay, PO quantity you can maintain manually if you're creating the PIR. And observe here, automatically it will take PIR number also. See, it will, if you double click on that, it will go to the display info record. This is the info record details, the number, info record number, and the vendor number, and the material number, under which material group, which purchase organization, under which plant, like how many days they have maintained, under 50 days. And see here, net price we have maintained 25 rupees, right? All the details will show. Just go back. Just if you wanted to see all the info record details, just double click on this. You'll get all this detail. Okay. Go back. Just check. Are you getting any error? No messages issued during check. And then you can save the PO. See, this is the PO number. This is how you have to do the PO. And I'll give you one more task. Do one thing. Just create material master, vendor master, PIR, and then purchase requisition also. And then create the PO. See the changes. Okay. Manish.
Okay.
First, without PIR, create the material and vendor and create the PO. And then with PIR, create the PO. And then with PR, create the PO. 3 types you can create and you can see the changes. Already I have shown you without PIR and with PIR also. What you have to do is you have to do with PR now. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll move on to the configuration part for the PO. Okay, configuration. PO. Here also it's actually very easy. You already learned. We'll going to configure document type, and then second we'll going to learn number ranges. Third, string filtering. Here also whatever we have done for the PR configuration, right? Everything is same. I'll show you. What is the path? Anyone?
OLM.
OLME.
Okay. Same as it is.
Then
Whatever we have done the configuration
purchase
of the
order.
RFQ and purchase requisition, right? The same step you have to follow for the PO. Okay. Then purchase order. Now
Document type.
Define document.
define document types. So what is the standard document type?
AN.
This is for the RFQ.
NB.
NB.
Wait, I'll show you that also. NB 21. Here,
Yes.
NB
NB.
standard PO, right? So first, under the position, check the standard PO. NB, enter. See, NB standard PO. This already you know, number ranges internally and number ranges externally. And then see, field selection, MBF. Okay. Now what you have to do, just select and then
Copy.
Copy as
Change
give.
the
Change.
So
name.
for example, I'll give RM. This is practice PO. Just I'm doing the document type. Then enter. You'll get copy all. Number of dependents copied. Then give enter. Number of entries copied. Then click save. Whenever you are done the configuration, you have to get the CR number. Okay. If you're not getting the CR number, you are not defined properly. So be careful. So I have created the RM document type. Okay, just note down document type RM. Okay, let me check. So what I need to do?
21 and
21. Yeah. Where you have to check?
NB standard PO.
Yes. See here. RM practice PO.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
So by using this document type, you can create one more PO. Okay. So in a second we will do for the number ranges. This is we done document type we have created RM. Then we will do number ranges. The same thing, internal and external number ranges are there. First we'll check with the second step. We will do the number ranges, define number ranges. What you have to do now?
Intervals. Create.
I'll try to create. Okay. All right. Then some numbers I'll take. All the numbers are already taken. I'll take this number. 99. So, do I need to check this box for the internal number ranges?
No, ma'am.
Just give enter and try. Or we getting no enter intervals without overlap. We'll try with the free intervals. I'll just give March. Title. Hit select and then continue. Where I'm getting HM. Okay. I'll try to save it. No, enter intervals without overlap. I'm getting the same thing. So what is the third option of what I can do?
Existing.
You are after choosing the free intervals also. Why we are making this?
Sorry.
You are also choosing the free intervals. Why we are getting the intervals in the quarter?
See, in the free intervals also, the numbers which we have given like HH, RM, like the numbers we are trying to give, right? Already those numbers also used. Sometimes the system will not automatically not fetch, okay? What at that time try to delete all these number ranges, not all these things. On at least on 5 to 6, you can delete the number ranges and you can try. If you're getting okay, if you're not getting, take the existing one. Okay, you have the three options. Try with first, try with manually the internal and the external number ranges. If you're not getting, try to do with the free intervals. That time also, if you're facing any issues, go with the existing one. Okay, whichever the NR status it's showing 0, right? Go take that existing number ranges. Done.
Yes.
Actually, this we have now done. I'll just delete it. This externally is that. Let me check internal number ranges. Okay, is that PS? I'll just take internal number range. Yes, I'll note down the number also. And I'll take external number range. External number ranges, I'll take PO. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Alright. What I have to do? Do I need to test now for my document type?
Assignment.
Yes, we have to do the assignment part. Go to the define document type. Which document type we have created?
RH. RH. RM.
RM. We have created RM. Number ranges they have maintained 36 and then 41. We'll take our internal is PS and then external is PO. PS and then PO. Enter. Try to save properly. Okay, if you're not saved properly, you will not get the data was saved. Let me check once again. Then this PS and PO I took. Okay, what I need to do now?
Testing.
ME21. Yes. We'll create one by using. So here I need to take my document type only. Okay, that is RM. Then take the vendor. Well, material. Enter plant. 10. 100. Check this. No messages. Save it. Yes, save. Four two 0050. See here. What number you're getting? Internal number ranges, right? This we have assigned to our document type RM. See here we have used the NB document type. So that time whenever we create the PO, then that number should it starts from 4033100231, right? So here we have created one document type, that is our document that type RM, and we tried for the creation for the internal and external number ranges. It's not happened. That's why we have taken the existing one. So PS and PO, we have taken the existing one and we have assigned to our document type. Once we are done with the assignment part, we have tested in the ME21 N. So that time, whenever we are doing the PO for the internal, like see, you can take this number. So I'll try to create the PO by using this number, okay? Or else, for example, I'll just show you the example now. Okay, I'll try to create vendor. See here. You can see this box, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll try to give external number ranges. Okay, I'll just give 365214, something like that. I'll try to give manually for this document type. Just see the changes. See here, document number 365214, not within defined interval. Why am I getting this error?
Because it is not
Not assigned.
assigned in the
It's
PO
something else.
like this one, external number and PO.
Which number I need to give for the external? For the PO, we are assigned to the RM, right? So that number
Yes.
starts from 30040000000. Which number I have given? We have given random number 5214, right?
Yeah.
So,
So it is not taken.
yeah, just take this number. See. Now it's taking, right?
Yes.
Yes,
We have assigned this number, external number ranges to the document, this document type. That's why it's taking this number ranges. Okay. Then PO quantity give within 10. Check here if you're getting any error. No messages generated for output of purchasing document. Okay. And then save it. See. We have created PO for both the number ranges. You can see the difference, right?
Yes.
So now we are done
Yes.
with. So what next? The third one is we have to put the screen field setting. So here we'll do some changes. Okay. Here you can see this, right? The same define screen layout at document level.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before going this, take the standard one. Under the define document type, just observe for the NB document which field reference is there. Solve it here. You can see this, right? Field selection NBF. Take that.
Yes.
Yeah. Search here. Under the position, search for the NBF field selection. See here. Now you have to copy this. Give your field reference, anything. I'll give R. Purchase order R. Just enter. R is already there. Okay, now it's taking. Now where I need to go?
Go
Go to select this one, then go to same step, details. You can hover about this screen, right? Go to the basic data. If you wanted to see the changes, for example, what I'll do, I'll make storage location as a mandatory. Okay. So do I need to check first this box?
No, first uncheck that, then check this box.
Yes. So if you wanted any changes, for example, yeah, material group also, I'll make it on standard. Okay, first I'll check this and then I'll check the storage location and material group. Storage location and then material group. See, go back. See, almost all these fields I have shown you yesterday also, and for the PR and the RFQ process also, we have done these changes. If you wanted to make any field as an required entry or this display mode or optional entry, you can do the changes here. Okay, and then go back, and then GRIR control. Everything is same. If you wanted any field to make changes, do it here. So we have done the changes in the basic data, that is storage location, the material group. We make the changes, right? So go back and then save. You'll get the CR number. Do I need to test now?
Yes.
Sure.
assign.
Yes.
First assignment, then
First, we have to assign for our document type. Our document type is RM. Go with RM. Already number range. See here. Why it's taking NBF field selection group?
that is standard from NB.
Yeah, actually we have copied from the NB, right? For the creation of the RM document type, we have copied from the standard one, right? So whatever the settings are made for the standard one, for example, number ranges and everything, it will take from the standard, okay? Now field selection, which field selection? RMR. Just give your RMR. Enter. And then save. Data was saved. Let me check 1 second. Yes, it's saved. Now I'll do the testing part. RM. Which is TP10, TP1, 1999, and then this material I'll take. Center plant, okay. TP10. See, 25 rupees it almost taken. See what you're getting.
Storage location.
Enter storage location. Why we are getting this error? Are we getting this error before?
No, because you made compulsory.
Yes, we are making. That's why we have to give the storage location mandatory. So why I'm not getting the error of the material group? I've changed the material group also. Why I'm not getting that error?
Because it's not mandatory or not like
No.
there is
Actually, we have made the changes. We make the mandatory, that one. it was in optional one, we make the changes to the required. Why I'm not getting the error? See,
It is
Already took
automatically
material
from material.
from material.
but yes, creation of the PO, if you are not having the material number, material group is not mandatory, and a material group is mandatory, okay, for the creation of the PO, either material group or else the material. So under the material, we already maintain the material group, so it automatically fetch from the material master. That's why we are not getting any error here, okay. So once we are done with this, check this box. If you're not getting any messages, save it. Yes. Any doubt? Yes, Manish.
No, I don't have.
See, if you practice thoroughly with the PR, material master and all, almost all the configuration is easy. See, in the yesterday's topic also in the RFQ, the same steps you have followed for the configuration part, right? For the creation of the PO also, which path you have followed? The same thing, right?
Yes.
So practice
Nothing more
properly.
things.
Material master, so there is few changes in the material master, vendor master and PIR, only little bit changes. See, for the material master and the PIR, we are creating the group, and for that group we need to maintain the material type and then the account group and all. Then we need to assign the number ranges. But for the vendor master and then the PR, RFQ and PO and all, we don't need to create any group here. Directly we can assign the number ranges to our document type. Okay, this is the difference.
Yes.
So does anyone have the doubt till now? Today we have created the PO and then the changes and the display, and then we have done the configuration part of the document type, number ranges and the screen field setting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt till PO? Just tell me. Yes, Srinivas, Manish, Monica, Sukanya, Harish and Sneha. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 second. So, are you practicing like the practice sheet? Tomorrow you need to submit. I told you to have given the time also only for the Monica. There is an exception. Srinivas, Manish already done. The remaining you have to submit your practice sheet. If not tomorrow. Yes, Sukanya. I think you require time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Saturday, Sunday,
Yeah, it's fine. What about others? Neha, Srinivas, Harish.
Yeah, how to submit?
Yes.
Shall I send you?
No. I'll send you tomorrow. I'll tell you tomorrow. Once the class is done, I'll tell you in the class only.
Okay.
This
I'm
week I completed, Mansi.
Yeah, it's fine, Harish. Like this is the final call, okay? Only this week I'll give you the exception. Like you have taken the leave and all. So just hold on. I'll just stop recording.